just a stranger. Love the blues and the brave. There is the sun and moon. They sing their own sweet tune. Watch them when dawn is due, sharing one space. Some walk by night, some fly by day. Something is sweeter when you meet along the way. Come walk the night, come fly by day. Something is sweeter, 'cause we met along the way. We'll walk by night, we'll fly by day. Moonlighting strangers who just met on the way. Who just met on the way. Who just met on the way.
Tonight is enough gift for everybody. All right, so we would like to welcome you to a very special evening this December right here at the Heartbeat Mega Disco, where we feature our very own talents from the Center for Public Philippines. Both of them are coaches, and once in a while we give them breaks. We do not believe in opportunities. We believe in creating our own opportunity. And this evening, we'd like to believe that there's an opportunity for them to not only as a break, but for them to entertain you in an evening like this. So they are both very young, although the other is a little older by several months and centuries. All right, so they are Virna Pahoyo and Lovie Tamang. Mga kaibigan, kung ganyan palakpak naman ninyo parang hindi na, ayaw na. Uulitin ko lang. Remember that the performers, ladies and gentlemen, our performers, Virna Pahoyo and Lovie Tamang. Yeah, Tamang-tama. Yun yung lakas. Very good. Virna is 16 years old, a high school student of National Teachers College. And supporting her in this concert, of course, we have Mrs. Rosario Pahoyo, who has been with us. In the absence of Virna, si Rosario ay palaging nandyan. At maraming salamat, Rosario, sa mga pagkain at alam mo na, masahe mo sa amin sapagkat ayaw mong pamalpak ang palabas mo. Alright, so Virna Pahoyo. Lovie Tamang, of course, is an employee of Meralco, and he is presently connected with the personnel. There are a lot of things in our lives to be changed. There's a lot of things in our environment to be changed. And this change, this message of change, is found in this musical. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an evening in December. company dancers. Meantime, ladies and gentlemen, here's a group of three lovely ladies from the Center for Public Philippines. Hershey, Jennifer Aditya, Vicente May.
When you rise in the morning sun, I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. There's a moment that you wander far from me. I wanna feel you in my arms again. Then you come to me on a summer breeze, give me warm in your love, and you stop playing. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when the ocean let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest darkest heart. You're my savior when I fall. And you made us sin. I care for you, and you know that inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when the ocean let us be. We belong to you and me. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. And you moan to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, and you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when the ocean let us be. We belong to you and me. La 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 la. Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when the ocean let us be. We belong to you and me. La 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 la. Devoted to you. Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. Mine is not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. There's just no getting over you. Oh, I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see? There's nothing else for me to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide. Since you pushed my love aside, out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you.
now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you to an evening in December featuring Virna and Lobby.
My friends, I know most of us tonight want a better change. A change for a better tomorrow and a change for a better life.
Then, we join each and every one. Let us sing it to the people, sing it to the children, or better yet, let us sing it to the world. We can be part of that Rhythm Nation, for we all are the Rhythm Nation. Okay?
Friends, let's hear it once again. The Beat Company Dancers.
Yeah, the Beat Company Dancers nasa backstage pa. Ayun. Okay, our fellow coaches and our dear friends. Hershey, Nina, Jennifer, the Centermates with, Centermates, and also with our backup boy. Okay, Otek. Yun, very good, Otek. Malakpak naman. Ayan. Thank you. Good evening, Lovey.
Good evening,
And
Gina.
good evening to you all who are here tonight to join us.
Friends,
Teka, but before anything else,
but before anything else pala, Gina,
oo nga pala. I know. It's a great honor for us in welcoming you to an evening in December.
happy to read, Gina.
And of course, Lovey, with some of our celebrity friends as guests. You know, friends, Lovey, I'm really so excited tonight. Dahil naman.
Dahil naririto po kayong lahat ngayong gabi, at tingnan nyo naman po, punong-puno ang Heartbeat Mega Disco. Sino ba naman ho ang hindi ma-excite sa ganito?
Oo nga naman. Pero teka lang, Kuya Lovey. I have an
Ano
idea.
yun?
Kasi, before we go on to our show proper, why don't we acknowledge our guests, your guests, my guests, your friends, and my friends who are with us tonight, diba?
Bakit naman hindi?
Dahil idea ko to.
Since we start with, why don't you...
Dahil, nasa sila po ba sila lahat?
Sila.
Ayun, pumalakpak sila. Ayan. Talagang sinusuportan ako naman.
Well, yung mga kababayan ko, my friends all the way from Isabela, nandiyan ba sila? Ay,
Okay. My friends and acquaintances from different areas of the metropolis and the Cyclone Car Care Center. Nandito pa ba kayo? Ay, mas na. My friends and my classmates from the National Teachers College. Ayan o, di ba? Ay, parang yan. Diyan sila. No, sila. Okay. Dito mo salamatan mo, Vito.
my dear friends and office mates from Meralco, nandiyan ba sila?
Dito ka mo yan. Tabi tayo. Ayan. And don't you forget,
And don't you forget our fellow coaches and staff.
and not to mention, the students and the parents of the Center for Pop, headed by the executive producer and executive director, Tito Butch Albarracin.
And of course, hindi ko makakalimutan yung mga nandyan sa na importante sa atin, si Mr. Albert lang, si Baby Rose,
Tito Tony.
si
Ayun,
Tony, si Lulu Fernando, kung nandyan siya.
ayun, dyan si Tita. Yan. Yan. Okay. Friends from Lovey and yours truly, our sincerest gratitude and appreciation for making our dream a reality. And speaking of dreams and reality, please allow us to present my dream and his fantasy in a matter of Rhythm Nation.
Ano bang sinasabi mong Rhythm Nation? Kanina ko pa naririnig sa'yo yan eh. Sa salita mo may Rhythm Nation. Ano ba yan?
Kasi, Kuya Lovey, intindi mo mabuti, no? Kasi yung Rhythm Nation, nung unang panahon pa lamang, di ba, alam naman natin lahat na walang TV, walang dyaryo, at walang radyo. Kumbaga, lahat ng bali-balita, saka lahat ng mensaheng gusto mong ipahiwati, malalaman natin sa kanta. O, di ba? Naintindihan mo na?
Tama ka.
Ayun.
Pero meron din akong bilang sariling explanation dyan sa sinabi mo.
O, ano ba yung kasi?
Ang Rhythm Nation sa akin is an expression of thoughts and ideas or principles na kinakanta natin. Ito, minsan, isang protesta man, o di kaya...
O, mga daing ng mga tao.
Daing ng mga tao.
Ayun.
Kaya, pero ang kanta na ito, pinasikat ng isang foreigner na si...
Ay, oo, alam ko yan. Si Miss Janet Jackson.
Yeah.
Okay.
Friends, let's move on. Ladies and gentlemen, Virna.
Okay, thank you, Lovey. Oftentimes, you know, friends, oftentimes, I ask myself this question. Pero alam ko na, hindi lang naman ako, kundi bawat isa sa atin ay nagtatanong sa ating mga sarili kung dapat talaga patungo ang buhay natin. So tonight, I would like to sing this question for you. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things love is showing you? Where are loving you. Where are you going to? Do you know? Do you care what you're hoping for? When you look behind and there's no open door, what are you hoping for? Do you know? Can we somehow slow our vision? Can we really get what we're hoping for? What we're looking for? And I just wish we can all find the answers to this. Where are you going to? Do you know? For loving.
Oh, do the one, got the heart. Mahal ka kayo ako na milalap na. Going for the hot side and making love lonely. But I really need stimulation. Going for only my imagination. It's just a fantasy. It's not the real thing. It's just a fantasy. It's not the real thing. Sometimes a fantasy is all you need. Oh, oh, oh. Well, gotta take control and get a hold of my emotions. Better baby, just believe me as the next day. Only there's a number and you know you dialed for a reason. I don't want to do it outside action. Only you can get the satisfaction. It's just a fantasy. It's not the real thing. It's just a fantasy. It's not the real thing. Sometimes a fantasy is all you need. Oh, 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 surely it would be better if I had to be to hold me. Better baby, just believe me as the next best. Surely baby, I'm going to hear your secrets. These things say the world out of me. Anytime you wanna tell them to me, it's just a fantasy. It's not the real thing. It's just a fantasy. It's not the real thing. Sometimes a fantasy is all you need. It's just a fantasy. It's just the real thing. It's just a fantasy. It's just a fantasy. It's just the real thing. It's not the fantasy. It's not the fantasy. It's just the real thing. Woo! Come on! Get your hands together! Oh! Woo! Thank you. You know, friends, sometimes we are a prisoner of our own imagination, our very own fantasy. But don't live in fantasy. Control and get hope. You know, fantasy is...
Wait, Rafi, tika nga lang. Ano pantasya pinagsasabi mo dyan?
bata siya, kailangan, alam mo na kayo ng pinanggalingan mo.
Alam ko,
Ano ba pinanggalingan mo?
design ako.
Hindi yung gusto ko malaman. Kumbaga, bago ka mag-grade 6, kailangan mag-grade 1 ka muna. Di ba? O kaya mag-kinder ka.
Okay.
Sa bago ka umani, kailangan magtanim ka muna. Naku, may gusto kong parating.
Oh,
Ayun. Ano ba? Sige. Halimbawa, gusto mo maging singer,
kailangan maging, pag-aralan mo yung, kung boxing yan ang gusto mong pag-aralan, mag-enroll ka sa Center for Pop Music Philippines.
yung
di ba?
kay Tito Butch?
Oo,
Ayun, yung kay Tito Butch Albarasi.
pagalingan ng kanta niyan.
Oo nga. Teka, mamaya na nga yan. Mga kaibigan. Teka lang ha, kaibigan. Mga kaibigan. Ito pong susunod namin aawitin tungkol sa mga bagay na nakaraan na o sa mga bagay na nangyari na. At isa lang po ang gusto niyang ipahiwatig. The way it used to be. mag-practice nitong concert na ito. Unang bahagi pa lang po ng concert namin, gitara. Eh, tinanong po kami kung ano po ba yung mga instrumento o bagay na kaya namin gawin habang kami kumakanta. So, the next two numbers will give you the answers. Hi, Lara.
Alam niyo mga kaibigan, alam ko sa inyo ngayong gabi, maraming mga lovers at mga magiging mag-lovers pa lang. At ang kantang ito ay para sa inyong lahat at sa kayong magiging mag-lovers pa lang. Pinili po ito para sa inyo. Oh my I live upon the land that see the sky above. I'll swim within air, ocean, sweet and warm. There's no storm. I'm in love. You're my everything. Nobody really matters but the love you bring. You're my everything. We'll see you in the morning with those big brown eyes. You're my everything. Forever and the day I need you close to me. You're my everything. You never have to worry, never fear, for I am here. When I hold you tight, there's nothing that will harm you in the lonely night. I'll come to you and keep you safe and warm, yet so strong, my love. When I kiss your lips, I feel the rolling thunder to my fingertips, and all the while my head is still asleep. I'm in love. I'm in love. You're my everything. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here now, Pahoya, together with the Beat Company Dancers and the Sentinels. Meantime, ladies and gentlemen, our featured pianist this evening. Here is Leslie Suliveo.
pag-ibig, ngunit sa pag-ibig ay kapal. Dahil sa mundo ko ay sira-sirang tabi, kaya nagkikirabot sa isip niya punit-punit. May binatang ganyan ay sumante at hinag-ulit oras magtupad, kulay ahas ang balat. Sinong dakila, sino ang tunay na baliw, sinong makalat, sinong tumatawag ng haba, yung pagtinila na ang pag-iisip ay sino pa. Pag-isip, ngunit sa pag-ibig ay kapal.
And Pinoy na composition, OPM, kumbaga. Ang areglo po nito ay pinagtama-sama po. At marami po ngayon ang sikat na mga singer po, yung mga rock songs. At itong kantang ko ito ay aking inayos at inareglo para po sa inyong lahat. Nalagay ko muna tapat.
Novi Tama. Thank you. Beijing PEL 516 Toyota Corolla. Novi Tama. Beijing PEL 516 Toyota Corolla.
That's Lovey, a specialist in rock music. Okay po ba dyan? Okay po ba kayo dyan? Ayun. From rock, allow me to bring you to Broadway scene. A place where singing talents like me fantasize. I guess we all fantasize in one way or the other, especially when we are dejected. And we find ourselves living a lonely life, craving for the elusive happier times. From the play Les Miserables, here is On My Own.
you know I'm letting you know. I'd like to call once again my partner, my concert partner, Lovie Tamang. The Lovie! Ayun, nawawala. Si Kuya Lovie. Hanapin natin si Kuya Lovie.
Si Mrs. Rosario Pahoyo, kung anong pakiramdam ng magulang. Di ba? At ka, Charo Laude, Charo Pahoyo. Alam mo, Rosario, no? Siyempre, ang audience, ibang pakiramdam, no? Pero isang anak mo na pinapalagpakan na talagang engineer yung tao, paano pakiramdam ng isang nanay na katulad mo?
Siyempre, Boots, lahat ng nanay talagang happy, lalo na pagdating sa anak, ano? Sa pa talagang ang lahat ng magulang, especially the mothers, talagang very supportive sa mga anak. Pero alam niyo ba, kagabi, muntik na ako mamatay? That's it! Pero sabi ko, Lord, please, help us. Eto na po kami. Eto na po kami.
Akala ko, sabi mo, Rosario, Lord, sana iba na namatay. Very good. Okay, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, Virna Pahoyo and Meralco Man Lovie Tamang.
Yun, si Kuya Lovie.
Traffic.
Traffic? Oo nga, lagi naman late. Dahil sa traffic, gano'n. Hindi, ayan. You know, friends, Kuya Lovie, talagang si Kuya Lovie saka ako, kahit gusto pa po namin mag-perform, hindi na po pwede. Kasi, alam naman po natin na ang lahat ng bagay na may umpisa ay may katapusan. Hindi ba? Kaya, pero bago kami magtapos, meron kami gustong pasalamatan. Ikaw, Kuya Lovie, ikaw mag-una. At kami kopya nito.
Before we end the show, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to those who supported us tonight to make this show a success. At yung mga listahan pala natin, nakalimutan ko yung listahan ko.
Sabihin lang yun.
O nga pala. Pinapasalamatan ko po unang-una po sa lahat ang Pager 2000 na bago po na beeper. Andyan po sila yung mga taga Pager 2000 kung gusto nyo kumuha ng mga beeper po ninyo. Andyan ho, mag-inquire na lang ho kayo sa kanila. Hindi ko po alam ang mga panahon nila, pero mura daw ho ang kanilang beeper. At special yung beeper nila. Yung ginagamit ko po hindi ko na babanggitin, baka patuhin ako ng Pager 2000. At pangalawa po, ang Mac Computer. Kung nandyan ang mga staff ng Mac Computer, ayan. Laredo Restaurant, Talimel, Meralco employees, of course. Sumuporta sa akin lahat yan. At ano pa yung baka makalimutan ko isa, baka batuhin din ako dito sa stage eh. Ano pa yung akin? Elite Brokerage po.
Ayun, ang dami.
Yun na lang po ang naalala ko ngayon. Kung meron bang hindi ako nabanggit, hindi ko po nabanggit, pagpasensya na po ninyo ako.
Ayan, ako naman. Buti naman natapos. Okay. Ito po yung mga pagsasalamatan ko. Kahit po mababa ng konti, kaya natin to. Yun. To Elate. Kay Tita Alita. Nandiyan po ba sila? Ay, dito. Ayun. Dito ko narinig eh. Ayun. Tita Elate. Miss Lulu Fernando. Saan po siya? Tita? Hindi ko nakita. Ano po yan? Doon. Ayun. Mr. and Mrs. Mangonon. Mr. Galvera. Mr. Ching. Ayun. Ate ko nasa kasi Tita Bella. Ayun. Yung nag-a-assist sa amin sa likod. Mr. and Mrs. Jacinto Lim. Ayun. Mr. Landonio. Ay, Landonio. Tita Cynthia. Ate Jopel. Salamat. Kasi, nandiyan siya naman. Tita Lulu Fernando. Naulot yata. Mr. Nena Lim. Tita? Wala. Mr. and Mrs. Memeng Bautista. Miss Javin Feliciano. St. Martin Banawe. Antropro. Excalibur. Nino Auto Parts. Kay Ate Joey. Sa kay Mr. and Mrs. Alan Chua. Employees of Interwoven Auto Parts. Tita Belen. Tita Hefer, Hope, Tito Hope, and company. Saka, sa lahat po sa inyo lahat, ay sa inyo po lahat, marami po salamat.
Opo, yung lahat si pagdalo yung...
Lalo sa mga taga-Banawe. Pumalakpak po yung mga taga-Banawe.
Marami
Dito Banawe ba ito? Ayun. Ayan. Okay, ito po susunod namin kapantayin. Para po sa inyo lahat. Pamasko.
And our family will be here in just a while.
Then my sister